Hey everybody, the purpose of this video is to get you some solutions to the two proportion quiz that's posted online, the Astute Math 244 student. So we are testing proportions in here. I mean, I tell you on the quiz what we're doing. The variable, actually there's two of them. There's two variables we're testing. We're testing P1, which is going to be the proportion of female students in either COCC or my classes. So we'll just put my classes. And then, spelled correctly would be nice. And then P2 would be the proportion of female students at COCC overall. So there's your two proportions. If you want to make them all fancy, make them subscripted, that would be a nice thing. And let's make that a lowercase p like it should be. There we go. Very nice, very nice. What are the variables we're looking for? The hypotheses we're looking for? Well, the astute student seems to think I have more females than males in my classes. So we're going to try to see if that's statistically obvious by the, I guess that's 18 point, isn't it? Your null is going to be equal, or any other variant of that you want. The two types of error. So type 1, I don't need to write this out, I don't think. I think you guys understand what it is. Saying that I do have more females in my class when I actually don't. Type 2 would be saying I don't have more females in my class when I actually do. I'll let you decide which one, if any, is worse. Which distribution is definitely going to be a Z. It's most definitely proportions. We're using a Z. Test statistic and p-value. Let's crank out the TI, which is where? I guess I got to start it up again. Nope, it's running somewhere. Where is my TI? Huh, I guess it's not running somewhere. Let's stop it. Start it again. Oh, there you are. So, sorry about that. Let's run the TI. I'll turn it on. Stat tests to prop Z test. All right, let's see. What do I got? I got 36 females out of 50 in my classes, 30 out of 50 at COCC. We're trying to see if I've got a higher percentage of females. Let's draw this bad boy. There you got it. Oh, please excuse this little curve over here that's left over from a 243 quiz. We got a test statistic of 1.3. and a p-value of about 10%. So the test statistic is Z equals 1.3 standard deviations. 1.3 standard deviations, a p-value of, looks like about 10%, which is not enough to arouse suspicion. So it does not appear that rule has a higher percentage of females in his classes than COCC does in general. Percentage spelled correctly would be really nice. There we go. And of course, because we got a big p-value, we could have, since it's a negative test, we could have a type 2 error, which is perfectly legitimate in this case. So there you go. There we have our little key, if you will, for our two proportions Z test. Hopefully it was helpful, and we'll catch you in class.